A bitter power struggle is erupting at the heart of Zimbabwe's ruling party after Vice President Constantine Chiwenga delivered a blunt warning over plans to extend Emmerson Mnangagwa's rule. Zaib namashoko kudanyuka chinzi ZANU-PF civil war. Chiwenga warns of dangerous gamble in a 2030 power push. Zaib namashoko anonga kunzi asiya the ruling party ZANU-PF. Aiwa yangova mamvemve. Vanhu vanyasi kuona kuti bato iri. Aiwa pangosara zvapo a tip kuti richibvaruka zvaro ndoti subscriber like on the bell icon. Tipina panguva ino tiona matensions achisvika papoint iri very dangerous. Bold truth inobuda chiti insiders say tempers flared during a stormy Politburo meeting where Chiwenga clashed head-on with the loyalist backing Constitution Amendment number 3, a controversial proposal critics say is designed to keep Mnangagwa in power beyond term limits. The former Army General reportedly demanded a national referendum, warning that bypassing the people would trigger a political backlash, but his stance sparked a fierce confrontation with allies of president, including Lafu Matuke, exposing deepening cracks within ZANU-PF. Chiwenga, a key figure in the 2017 coup, doubled down, invoking liberation war credentials and blasting the 2030 agenda as a betrayal of the democratic principles. With Mnangagwa hitting back at malcontents, analysts warn this is no ordinary disagreement. It's a high-stakes succession battle spilling into the open. Ndo pazvasvika ndo mamiro akaita matensions arimo mubato aiwa rikuzikanwa nemukurumbira reZANU-PF. Mangwana uchonekwa zvipi Constantine Chiwenga wakonzeresa ovhiyo after vanyatso kubuda pachena pamberi pezvigananda vachiva vachiti no ngatiende kureferendum. Zvamunoda kuita izvi zvomukweva muchingoita zveubvanzu hatizvidi takazviramba. Kuda kumesection medu zofunga muri kudai pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.